Hey guys, got another one. This is another key knob, C4 entrance set cylinder. Just going to take the circuit off so I can key it once I've done it. Nothing special about this. It is a 5-pin, all standard tops, all standard bottoms. Let's get into it. It's a bit hard for you to see, isn't it? Turn it that way. Still can't see. That for you. A little bit easier for you to see what I'm doing. Let's click over 3. Binding, just ease up on the tension. Number 1. Twisted my pick. No one wants that. There we go. That wasn't too hard. It's a bit awful. One of these cheap barrels. Feels like one of the bottom pins is not picked properly, which means this is a cheap Chinese lock. Yeah, there's a spring twisted in there. This will take a bit of banging to get it out. It's awful. Is it a spring? No. Maybe just one of the top pins is not picked. There you go. The 2 back top pins are set below the shear line, so I didn't even pick them. There you go. That's a cheap quality lock from China, most likely. That's a key blank, and that last cut is actually below the shear line. Not very good. Anyway, thanks for watching.